Choosing the right product from the market is a hectic job, but don't worry, we've made the task easier by preparing the list of the best ones ready for you. If you want to know more about these models, then click on the links given in the description. Now let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best 6 Steam Cleaners 2020. Every home deserves a steam cleaner. These devices make cleaning up messes and stains look like child's play. So since stains and dirt are an integral part of life, why not have something that can obliterate them?
Starting off our list, we have a fantastic model you can never go wrong with.
The Miele Mc1275. If we are to pick out our top choice from the myriad of products available on the market, we'll have to single out this one. It is because of the impeccable makeup that makes it uniquely suited to cleaning up all surfaces. First off, it's manufactured using the highest quality materials to ensure you have the best steam cleaner available. Next is its effectiveness, and by applying ordinary water heated over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it effectively cleans up a range of surfaces and rids them of all bacteria and other harmful substances. The machine is also convenient to use and works fast, needing only 8 minutes to heat up and get down to business. Subsequently, the steam created lasts as long as 45 minutes, which is rather remarkable. It is also enough time to do most of your cleaning. As such, you don't need more than one heating session to get all of your work done in most cases.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
The Wagner. This one comes with excellent features to make cleaning a painless task. To achieve this, it has several accessories that enable it to clean various surfaces, all without harmful chemicals. Furthermore, it's easy to operate and doesn't stress you out. It simply glides over surfaces with ease that other products can't boast. More impressive still is the wallpaper remover accessory, which takes off old wallpapers using the power of steam. This results in a clean wall devoid of any scars from the old wallpaper. On top of that, the steam cleaner is powerful and heats water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is incredibly useful. It can equally be used in anywhere in the house and even outside the house, so you will have no problem cleaning up dirt and stains from the patio or other outdoor surfaces.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
Is Pure Steam. This pressurized steam cleaner produces about 30% more steam flow than comparable cleaners. The price is affordable considering what it can do, which includes but is not limited to cleaning surfaces and eliminating bed bugs. Like other products in this niche, it doesn't make use of chemicals or other harmful substances. Add to that the portable and lightweight design, and you have a device that is very convenient to use while posing little to no challenge. Additionally, the device doesn't take too long to heat up. Within 5 minutes, you should have some powerful steam to work with. Moreover, the 9-piece accessory set that comes with the cleaner enables you to get to many surfaces. So, with the excellent features this steam cleaner has, there is no reason not to go for the Pure Steam cleaner.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
Bissell Steam Shot. Bissell has been known for many years as a reliable company that makes incredible household products, and they have once again knocked it out of the park with the Bissell Shot Hard Surface Steam Cleaner. Featuring a hard-not-to-love design, the Bissell cleaner works effectively to take out all the dirt, stains, germs, and so on that plague your home surfaces. Even more, since it doesn't make use of harmful chemicals and substances, it is entirely safe. It can even be used when your kids or pets are around. Additionally, this product sports an ergonomically designed carry handle that eases accessibility. Also, many attachments come with it, all of which are made to reduce your workload significantly.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comments section below.
Dupre Hill Injection. The power of the Dupre Hill Injection Commercial Steam Cleaner cannot be underestimated, and it is as heavy duty as they come. Capable of dealing with the toughest stains without the need for any harmful chemicals, the Dupre Hill Cleaner is a device that is worth having in most homes and offices. While on the high side in terms of price, this cleaner makes up for it with the sheer amount of things. Some of them include deodorizing, sterilization, disinfection, degreasing, and so on. Due to the high quality of materials used in constructing this powerful machine, the steam levels are peerless. Even more, the water temperature can reach as high as 340 degrees Fahrenheit. The result is a powerful steam flow that gets rid of most of the dirt and gunk around you. You can further perform even deeper cleaning with the help of detergent. Hence, if you are in the cleaning business, this is an excellent investment that you will enjoy for quite a while.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.